All right, so you guys are looking for a great water sport for your kids. These are perfect. Now, there is a charging station here that actually is a magnetic. To turn it on, you hold on the power button on. Now, indicating the power, it's going to change into different tones: red, blue, and green. Green is fully charged. So once you see it fully charged, it's ready to go. It's going to last you maybe 3 to 4 hours, depending on the usage, right? Because when I say usage, there's actually a water gun. One trigger for the water gun, one for the actual propeller. Now there's a couple of ways you can use this, but at a certain weight. Extending it's one way, on top of it's the other way. Now the engines are really powerful, so keep them away from your kids and make sure you always supervise your kids when they're in the pool, right? So if you're looking for a great outdoor aquatic surfboard with an engine, this is it. I'm getting ready for CES. That's why I'm going to ask for.
You can pull the string more.
Yeah, this side needs more.
Yeah.
You good? Yeah.
You just turn this way. You just lean where you want to go.
There you go.
Go check out that black one.
It works. I'll show you how to use it. So when I take it off,
Let me make this one enlarged for her living room. And the sunset. Really, really nice.
I wish I had
You
this
made
from
the big one.
I wish I had this from